Master English Skills 2024.
Conversation.
Lesson 3. Introduction.
Example.
Where is Simon?
He is in the garden.
Where's Simon?
He's in the garden.
Where is Jean?
She is in the garden.
Where's Jean?
She's in the garden.
Where are Jean and Brian?
They are in the garden.
Where are Jean and Brian?
They're in the garden.
Exercise. Unlock the world with English. Start listening today. Kitchen. Garden. Classroom. Restaurant. School. Car. Where's Steven? Where's Sheila? Where are Sheila and Steven? Where is Steven? Where is Sheila?